So this is an old video I recorded way back in October 2016. I've been watching some of my old videos and I found this one only had 200 views, so I remastered it and I just want to put it up here so you guys who weren't subscribed back then can see it.
And today I'm trying to catch a slam today. That's my goal for the day. Catch about 10 trout, 3 reds. I'm gonna be conservative and say 1 flounder, but maybe 2 flounders, just for a proofer. Double proof of concept. Try a new strategy that I've never tried before. Just catch the flounder first. I always save the flounder for last. I'm gonna save the flounder. Try the flounder first today. And in the midst of catching a flounder, I should be able to catch a red at least. There he is. There's my first fish of the day. My strategy, I know I'll catch a redfish. Oh, it's a nice one. Damn, this bitch trying to be big. He's trying to be big. What the hell? Fish trying to grow up a little bit. Oh. Oh, come on. Why you trying to act all big and stuff, man? Get up here. You're not that big. Trying to act all big. Come on. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Yeah, it's a good size one. There he is, my first fish of the day. Not what I was looking for. Trying to catch a flounder, but you can't be mad at this bycatch. Man, he's not hooked good, but he hooked good at the same time. I haven't been to Golden Meadow all year. It's fat. I think I'm gonna tag him and let him go. The fallntide, which is coming up. He goes 24. Turn. And you are a 24-inch redfish. He is. What is it? Rat red. Rat. You up. All right, buddy. There you go. Go ahead. Call mom. Call your flounder friend. Just caught a flounder. I didn't catch it on camera, but I caught a flounder. So now I got 1 flounder, 1 redfish. Damn, I just spooked something. 1 flounder and 1 redfish. Only 2 more redfish to go. And I still haven't sniffed the trout yet, so I'm doing a little pre-fishing for falling tide. It's coming up at the end of the month. I'll get swung in there. I'm about to catch a fish right now. I just missed him on top. So now chase him with the plug. Chase him with the jig. Let's see what happens. Drop my anchor. I worked the top water all the way back to the boat though. Oop, there he is. There he is. Oop, around the back of the boat. Got him. Yep, it's a nice one. Another good one. this plug on this side. Oh yeah, another good one. This one's gonna go. Oh man, look at that tail on him. Oh man, he stole my plug too, my jig. Stole my jig. Stole my jig. But damn, this one might go 24 too. Oh, don't do that. No, I just tangled both my lines up. Man, this just looks fishy back here. All these little cuts and corners. This one gonna go 23. Oh, he came off. I just missed another one, yeah. I don't know. It looked like redfish the way you hit it. Bird. Through top water mirror there. Hope big red just crushed it. Oh, there we go. Oh, he got off. Damn. Oh, there he is. Yep. Trout. Speckled trout. A nice trout. Nice trout. Damn, that's a fat trout. I'm the greatest. Yeah, save the environment. Don't worry, I'll catch your fish, man. I'm not getting any hits on my... Oh, there he is. I just said I wasn't getting no hits. Nah, on the Mirrodine this time. Oh, catfish. Jumping out the water. Gone already. There you go. Getting more hits on the top water. Oh, what is this? Catfish? Come on, catfish. Come on, catfish. I don't want you. Come on, catfish. It's probably a big catfish. Oh, that's not a catfish at all. Holy shit. No, it's a trout. At least that's what I think. Oh. Is that a trout? Yeah, it's a trout. It's a trout. It's a big. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, mama. Come on. Yes. Oh, there he is. Oh, did he come off? Yeah. Straight at the boat. Ah, it's a red. It's a big ass catfish, I think. Come on, Mr. Catfish. Actually, this one might go for the tournament. I think that's a catfish. Oh, it's a redfish. Here's my third redfish. Oh, is that a drum? Oh, I thought I had a world record. Keep a red. Let's keep a red on the mirror. Ding, ding, ding. Come on, come on. Let's keep a redfish. Yeah, towards the eye up. I think I might keep this one. Good eater. I'm a keeper.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching. Hope to have some fresh content out soon. If not, I'll see you guys out there on the water while I'm recording this fresh content.